Section B, problem 3. Let's start with the new part. Let's define the equations, the global variables first. Here we have A 38, B 12, and C 3. Okay. And the material is polybutadiene in the plastics. We'll add the sensor for mass properties. Now let's start with the profile. First, let's create the cylinder in the middle. This is given as A into 3, so we'll put equal to A and multiply by 3. And distance between these two circles is given as B, so equals to B. And we'll extrude this cylinder. The height would be 25 plus 38. 25 plus 38. Again to the top plane. Sketch another circles. This one is given as an equation that is A multiplied by 2 divided by 3. This distance is again equals to B. You can take a center line and define this distance. This is given as equal to A multiplied by 5 and divide by 2 because we are taking half the distance. Again extrude. This would be 25. And again top plane. Take tangent. Get the tangent to these both circles. We can actually first select these circles and convert them because we need the boundaries anyway. Let's also connect a center line and mirror this line about the center line. Now we'll trim what we do not need to complete the sketch, and we can extrude this now. This extrusion would be 9 plus C. You can see from the sketch here you have to put C in double inverted. So 9 plus C. It is done. Again sketch on this one. We can directly take offset of the offset is equals to C, but in the offset we cannot put equation, so we'll just type in 3, reverse, and done. Now here we can put the equation equals to C. And we'll put fillets, that is also equal to C, but we cannot put the equation here, so we'll put 3 and add the fillets, and from here again we can change it to the equation that is equal to C. Now we'll just cut it, which would also be equal to C. Here you can directly put the equation. So one side of the part is completed. Now we just need to mirror this on the other side. So we can go to mirror, and here we can just select the complete body to mirror about this right plane. Enter. So the part is completed. Update the sensor. It's 346.49. Let's check the answer. 3A, 315.86. Yeah, so in here in the equation, instead of this 38, there is actually 35. So when you put 35, you'll get the answer 315.86, which matches with this answer in the PDF. And about the other parts, the answers in the PDF are wrong, so you can check with my answers. I put in the different values. This is 35 only, this is 10, and C is 2. So you can check with this answer. It is 271.05 gram for part B, and for part C is 159.75 grams. So you can check this answers. This won't exactly match with this, but these are the right answers. So that is problem 3. Next problem in the next video. Thank you.